Hey everyone, welcome to EveryJuan Studio, and today I will be showing you how to create your own ringtone straight from your iPhone. To get started, tap Garageband in your iPhone. Garageband works in landscape mode, so let's switch to that. To start a new project, just tap the plus sign or the create song icon that you see here on screen. Next, on the top screen of this window, you will see there are two labels. We have live loops and the tracks. For tracks, you can see there are several instruments available here. On the left side of the tracks, you will see live loops. Let's tap that. And here you will see there are several examples for the live loops. But since we'll create our own ringtone, let's tap New. Here on top, you can see several icons like FX that adds effects to your sounds, and also we have familiar buttons there like back or rewind, play, record, metronome, Apple loops, and also the settings. They are very easy to use, and you will see how they work as we go along our project. Now let's tap the Apple loops. And here you will see that it's categorized by instruments, genres, and descriptors. Now let's tap the instruments and select kits. Then from the kits, let's choose the sound panorama bit. To do this, just simply swipe up or scroll down. Once you find the song, like this one right here, tap it once. And you can actually hear how it sounds. Once you're good, just tap and drag it in one of the cells right here. Alright, so this time we're gonna add another loop. And then let's tap the X to reset the instrument. And then this time we will add a synth. So for the synth, let's look for the double vision blip. Now once you see it, you can tap it once again and listen to the sound. Now once it's good, you can just simply do the same thing, tap and drag it going to the cell below the first one. Tap X to reset instruments, and this time we will add a bass. So this time, there's another way for you to look for a certain sound. Just simply use the search bar and type in the particular sound that you already know. Let's say I'm gonna look for paparazzi deep synth. Let's listen to it. Alright, so I'm good with this. So let's drag it down here on the third row. This time, let's quickly preview the song that we made here in the first column. Alright, so I'm good with that. Let's continue and add two more sounds or two more loops in our project. Let's tap X again to reset the instruments, and this time I will add a very simple instrument. It's a percussion, so let's scroll down. Next, to somewhat complete the instrument set, let's add a voice. Add it to the project in the last row of our first column. This time, let's listen to how the entire column sounds. and you can see here that the entire column stopped playing. On the left side of FX, you can see the adjustments buttons. This is where you can adjust the volume of each track. So for example, right here, I selected the voice track. On the side, you can see these knobs right here, and as we scroll down, you can also see echo and reverb. Just drag the knobs to increase or decrease the echo or reverb of this specific track. Now, once you're good, you can go ahead and do the same with the rest of the track, depending on how you would want it to sound. Just tap the track and then you can adjust the effects or the plug-in an equalizer for each of the track. Now on the lower left, you can see the edit icon. We'll tap that and then let's select duplicate, and you can add at least 4 columns. And then the next thing I will do is I'm gonna remove some of the tracks in each of the columns to add a variation. Next, let's increase the tempo of our song. So just tap the settings and then select tempo. And currently it's in 110. Let's increase it to 120. Alright, so this time let's go up until 135. And let's see how it sounds. So this is already good. Let's go and record our first ever ringtone. After recording, just tap the icon next to the microphone. This is gonna convert your loops into waveforms. And here you can preview the length of the entire song. I can also see in the last part of this song that there's an excess or the sound that I no longer need for my ringtone. I'll just tap that and hit delete. Or I can simply drag the bar or the edge of the song so that I can adjust its length. Next, let's add a fade out, and to do this, just tap the settings and then scroll down, turn on fade out. Alright, so we're done with our project, so let's tap this triangle icon right here to go back to the folders and files, and then let's tap select and then choose your song. And then we will export it by tapping share on the lower left screen. And here, let's select ringtone. So this time, let's rename your ringtone. Then after that, let's tap export. Now after exporting, this box will appear on screen. Just tap OK. Alright, so your ringtone is now saved. Let's check it out in your sounds and haptics settings. So this time, tap the settings app and look for sounds and haptics. Next, tap ringtone, and here you will see the ringtone that you exported earlier. There you have it. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel. See you again here in EveryJuan Studio.